Good afternoon, students. How are you? Join quickly. Very good, Akash. Okay. Today we will do the exercise 12.1. Okay. Exercise 12.1, question number 2. Identify terms and factors in the expressions given below. I am also good, Deep. I am also good. Okay. Identify terms and factors in the expressions given below. Question 2. Expression terms and factors. Question 2b. Here the algebraic expression is minus 4x plus 5y. Therefore, terms of this algebraic expression are minus 4x and 5y. Minus sign is also included in the term. Page 234. Page 234. Now the algebraic expression contains the terms minus 4x and 5y, and the term minus 4x is the product of minus 4 and x. Therefore, we can say that minus 4 and x are the factors of the term minus 4x. Also, the term 5y is the product of 5 and y. Therefore, 5 and y are the factors of the term 5y. Clear? Next question D. Here the algebraic expression is xy plus 2x square y square. This algebraic expression contains the terms xy and 2x square y square. Now, the term xy is product of x and y. Therefore, we can say that x and y are the factors of this term. Also, the term 2x square y square is the product of 2x, x, y and y. Since x square is equal to x into x, therefore, the factors of x square are x and x. Similarly, the factors of y square are y and y. Clear? Up to this portion, any problem, students? Up to this portion, any problem? Okay. Then, next question number F. Here the algebraic expression is 1.2 AB minus 2.4 B plus 3.6 A. Therefore, terms of this algebraic expression are 1.2 AB minus 2.4 B and 3.6 A. Now, the term 1.2 AB is the product of 1.2 A and B. Similarly, the term minus 2.4 B is the product of minus 2.4 and B. Therefore, these are the factors of this term. And 3.6 A is the product of 3.6 and A. Next question number H. Here the algebraic expression is 0.1 p square plus 0.2 q square. This algebraic expression contains the terms 0.1 p square and 0.2 q square. Now, this term is the product of 0.1 p and p. Therefore, the factors of 0.1 p square are 0.1 P and P. Also 0.2 Q square is the product of 0.2 Q and Q. Understand? Up to this portion, any problem? Okay. It's okay. Up to this portion, any problem, students? Okay. Then we will go to the next question, question number 3. Here, identify the numerical coefficients of terms other than constants in the following expressions. Here we have to identify the numerical coefficients of terms other than constants. Okay. Therefore, this column will be coefficients. Okay. Question number 1. Here the algebraic expression is 5 minus 3t square. Now the term other than constants in this algebraic expression is minus 3t square. Now the numerical factor of the term is called the coefficient of the term. Here coefficient of t square is minus 3. Clear? The coefficient may be numerical factor or algebraic factor. Okay. Therefore, coefficient of t square is minus 3. The numerical factor is called the coefficient of t square. Clear? And terms other than constants in this algebraic expression is minus 3t square. Next, question number 2. Here the algebraic expression is 1 plus t square plus t cube. Therefore, the terms other than constants are t square and t cube. Now, the coefficient of t is 1 and coefficient of t square is also 1, because the numerical factor of t square is 1 and coefficient of t cube is also 1. Clear? Up to this portion, any problem, students? Next, question number 5. Here the algebraic expression is minus p square q square plus 7pq. Here the algebraic expression is minus p square q square plus 7pq. Therefore, the terms of this algebraic expression are minus p square q square and 7pq. Now, tell me, what's the coefficient of p square q square? What's the coefficient of p square q square? The coefficient of p square q square is minus 1 and coefficient of pq is 7. Clear? Coefficient of p square q square is minus 1 and coefficient of pq is 7. The numerical factor of the term is called the coefficient of the term. Okay. Next, question number 4. Identify the terms which contain x and give the coefficient of x. Okay. Terms containing x and the third column will be coefficient of x. First, question 4a. Here the algebraic expression is y square x plus y. Now the term containing x in this algebraic expression is y square x. Therefore, coefficient of x is y square, since coefficient may be numerical factor or algebraic factor. Okay. Therefore, coefficient of x is y square. In this algebraic expression, the terms containing x is y square x and coefficient of x is y square. Next, question number 2. y square minus 8yx. Here the term containing x is minus 8yx, isn't it? And therefore, coefficient of x is minus 8y, since coefficient may be numerical factor or algebraic factor. Okay. Next, question number 6. Here the algebraic expression is 12xy square plus 25. Now the term containing x in this algebraic expression is 12xy square and therefore coefficient of x is 12y square. Clear? Up to this portion, any problem? Any query? Okay. Then next question 4b, identify the terms which contain y square and give the coefficient of y square. Here the column will be terms containing y square and this column will be coefficient of y square. Now, question number 4b1. Here the algebraic expression is 8 minus xy square. In this algebraic expression, terms containing y square is minus x y square and therefore coefficient of y square is minus x, since minus xy square is the product of minus x and y square. Since minus xy square is the product of minus x and y square, therefore coefficient of y square is minus x. Next, question number 2. Here the algebraic expression is 5 y square plus 7x. Now the terms containing y square in this algebraic expression is 5y square and 5y square is the product of 5 and y square. Therefore, coefficient of y square is 5, isn't it? Therefore, coefficient of y square is 5. Next, question number 3. Here the algebraic expression is 2x square y minus 15x y square plus 7y square. In this algebraic expression, the terms containing y square are minus 15 x y square and 7y square, isn't it? Now, in this term minus 15 x y square, the coefficient of y square is minus 15x, since it is the product of minus 15x and y square. Therefore, coefficient of y square is minus 15x. Also, in this term, the coefficient of y square is 7, since 7y square is the product of 7 and y square. Okay. Up to this portion, any problem, students? Okay, very good. In the next class, we will discuss the like, unlike fractions, monomial, binomials, trinomials and polynomials. Okay.